work on a 9 to 5 grind. Ironic how they lie when they write the lines. Big bass and a little bit of highs, but that's divided by the lack of rhymes inside.
All right, so Tom decided at first we're gonna paint this black, and we broke the clips in the back. It was super hard, as you can see. Cut my hand trying to take it off. To take this grill off on the 2011s, you have to pop the whole bumper off. If you're looking online, we popped these 4 clips and these 4 here, and we like pried it open just to get it in there. My hand to pop this off. We didn't really feel like taking off the whole bumper just to get the grill off, and then painting this black. Personally, at first we didn't know if we would like it without it off, but it looks clean. It looks like a custom grill, personally, and people will know it's a WRX anyway because we have this little WRX thing. This is it, and this is how it looks. I like it. So we're just gonna say this is a souvenir in Tom's bedroom, whatever the heck. And then the next thing we're doing today is this. So what we're gonna do here with this badge is we're gonna take that one off, and then Tom ordered a brand new badge and a new WRX one. We're gonna sand it a little bit and paint it black, gloss black, because they don't sell the WRX badge black online, which is unfortunate. So we got some sandpaper from Home Depot as well as spray paint, and we'll spray paint the new badge, take this one off, and we'll reapply it. We also have another mod. I'm not sure if we're gonna do it today or not. We have vinyl for the taillights. Since it's wrinkling up over here from old age, we're gonna put all red. We got it for premium auto styling online, about 30 bucks. And I figured, well, me and Tom figured, it's his car. I keep saying me, it's not my car. All red. I think it's gonna look good. I've seen it on a couple other cars, just like we did their brake light in red. It's gonna look good. May do that today, may not. I'll keep you guys updated, but we'll get spray painted for this back.
For the free, I'll drop $1 at the strip. Make a stripper pay to see me. It's a science, got it to a T. Download the link, go stream. Keepers of the 732 coming soon to your fucking screen.
Get off my block. Oh, I'm strapped. Shaking the can, baby. Shake the can, baby. Oh, doctor. Oh. Oh. Perfect. Looking good, huh?
Hey.
Yeah.
Rex.
Sheesh.
The birds.
Sheesh. So now we're gonna let it dry in the sun. Hopefully by an hour it'll be done, and we'll throw that bad boy on, huh? I'm gonna shut the hatch and all the letters gonna fall off. You're gonna hear like a bunch of change falling out of your pocket.
Ultimate test. Let's see if this sticks. Beautiful. All right, let's go, bro. So from a glimpse, when you just look over the car, it looks like it's D-badged. But attention to detail, the WRX badge is there.
That's exactly how I wanted it to look. It looks amazing. Oh, it looks super glossy, and oh, that's exactly what that was my eye on that. While the badge was drying, we also just did some stuff to the headlights. Just applied some Meguiar's compound
because they're a little foggy from the getting dioxide. No, not dioxide. Yo, Tom, you got the word for that?
What? The headlights?
Yeah, what's it called? The proper name. Deoxidation from the sun. So, put some compound, super clear now. I also did it on the fog lights because they're a little hazy. And this is how the look is without the WRX badge in the front end. Personally, I like it. Comment down below if you guys like it as well. If you guys don't like it, it's not changing, so just comment anyway. It looks cleaner. It looks like you had like a custom grill almost. It's just so much cleaner. So, I mean, really, how many times do you have to tell the person you have a WRX? Come on. So, I didn't show you guys another mod. You didn't see the side of the car yet in this video. So, in the next couple seconds, there's going to be a montage of a pricey modification that Tom got. You guys didn't see the side of the car. If you guess, we use the side skirts. It's not tints. Something to do with wheels? Not telling you, maybe. So in the montage, you guys see it. Comment down below if you like it.